It's now 4:30 in the morning. We are all here at Panagbenga Park along South Drive Street, preparing for the 8 o'clock parade. So they are now putting makeup. Kay Tahalia, there. Ma'am Ryan is putting wig there.
Saan ba si Prince? Sino tapos dyan? Kain na mga bata. Nandito lang naman si Ate. Ay, ano mo? Ano yan? Kasama? Ano yan? Ano lang yan?
We have hot soup here now, being served by ma'am to all the members para malakas sila mag-parade mamaya. Very good, ma'am. Thank you very much for your services. Yan, kumakain na lahat sila there. Beautiful. Galingan mo mamaya. Papapalaksan mo yung laro, ha? Idol kita, eh. Tali is eating soup here also. And there are the girls. Tell me if you want some more, anak, ha? Yes?